I'm Julie from Organised, and this is how to make a bed linen sandwich. So you gather together all your duvet set, then you take your duvet cover and you fold top edge to bottom edge. I always store my duvet covers inside out because it's easier to put them on to the duvet inside out. So you fold it again across the top edge, and again across the top edge. So lay it out, smooth it out, then you bring one end into the middle and the other end into the middle. So you end up with something like that. Then you take all your bits, your folded sheet, spare pillowcases, and fold it so you end up with your bed linen sandwich. And you take a spare pillowcase, fold it in half lengthways, and you use that to sort of bind everything together. And there you have it, a bed linen sandwich. So it's a lot easier to just grab this than to have to go rooting around for all your bits before you make the bed and end up with odd pillowcases and what have you. So as you can see, it's kind of a neat little brick, so you end up being able to store a lot more of these as well. So it's a space saver.